People keep asking one question: will MCP replace API? That question is like asking whether GPS will replace a road. GPS needs a road, and MCP needs API. Before we compare them, let us decode the name. MCP means Model Context Protocol. Model means the AI model. Context means the information, tool, file, and system the AI needs to understand a task. Protocol means a shared set of rules for communication. So Model Context Protocol is a standard way for AI application to connect with useful tool and information. It was introduced publicly in November 2024. It was created at Anthropic by David Soria Para and Justin Spar Summers. The reason was simple. AI model was becoming powerful. But AI model was often disconnected from the real world. It could write an email, but it could not see your calendar. It could suggest code, but it could not inspect your project file. It could explain a customer problem, but it could not check a customer order. Every connection to a new system required a custom integration. One custom connector for email, another connector for database, another connector for file, another connector for company tool. That becomes messy very quickly. MCP was created to give AI a standard connection layer. Now let us talk about API. An API is how one piece of software talks to another piece of software, where a food delivery app asks a restaurant server for a menu, a banking app asks a payment provider to process a payment, a weather app asks a weather service for a forecast. The application already knows what it needs. It knows where to send the request. It knows the input format. It knows what response to expect. That is the normal API world. Very direct, very predictable. A developer writes the connection in advance, get the order, create the payment, send the email, return the result. But an AI agent works differently. You may tell an AI agent to plan a trip. Now it may need your calendar, your email, the weather, a map, flight information, hotel information, and company travel policy. The problem is not only making an API request. The AI first needs to know what capability exists, what each capability does, what information it needs, and when it should use it. That is where MCP comes in. Think of API as a tool inside a workshop. One API can be a hammer, another API can be a drill, another API can be a measuring tape. Each API gives access to one useful capability. But an AI agent also needs a clear workshop menu. It needs to see what tool is available, read what each tool does, understand the required input, and use the right tool at the right time. MCP gives the AI that organized workshop. An MCP server can expose a tool. A tool lets the AI take action. For example, search an order, create a calendar event, send a message, or query a database. An MCP server can expose a resource. A resource gives the AI context. For example, a company handbook, a customer profile, a project file, or a document from your knowledge base. An MCP server can also expose a prompt. A prompt provides reusable instruction for a common workflow. So MCP is not just another API endpoint. It is a structured way to present useful capability to AI. Now here's the most important part. An MCP server can use normal API underneath. Imagine an AI assistant for a shopping company. A customer asks where an order is. The AI uses an MCP tool called Find Order. The MCP server receives that request. Then the MCP server calls the company order API. The order API returns the real order detail. The MCP server gives the result back to the AI. So API still does the real work. MCP makes the capability easier for AI to discover and use. Use API when you are building a normal application. A mobile app, a website, a payment flow, a back-end service. API is still the right tool. Use MCP when you are building an AI assistant that needs access to many systems. An AI coding assistant, a customer support agent, a research assistant, a company chatbot, or an automated workflow agent. The biggest mistake is thinking you must choose one. You do not. API is the road. MCP is the navigation system for AI. API exposes capability. MCP helps AI discover capability and use it in a consistent way. API tells software how to talk to software. MCP helps AI understand what software can do. That is why MCP matters. It does not replace API. It makes API and other capability easier for AI agent to use.